Today, we're going to learn some awesome new numbers from 11 to 20. Are you ready to count, spell, and say the numbers together? Let's go! This is 11! Say it with me. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. This is 12. Can you say it? 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. This is 13. Say it loud. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. This is 14. Let's spell it. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. This is 15. Say it with me. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. This is 16. Let's say it. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. This is 17. Ready? 17. S-E-V-E-N, T-E-E-N, 17. Number 18. This is 18. Say it proud. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. This is 19. Let's spell it. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. This is 20. Big number. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Want to learn numbers from 21 to 30? Click here and please subscribe the channel.